Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 219 River Street, Unit 302, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Third floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent. Start our video tour right when you walk in. Huge living room and dining area. Big windows for plenty of natural light. High ceilings. Coat closet there. Dining and kitchen area. Another closet, refrigerator, countertop space, cabinet space, gas stove, back entrance there. Got your bedroom here to my right. Could fit a queen, possibly a king set. And you get the bathroom here. Shower tub and vanity. I'd like to apply for 219 River Street, Unit 302 in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.